How to fix messenger message delivered but not seen. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to explain what it means when your messenger message is delivered but not seen and how to troubleshoot it. Let's say you send a message and you're seeing a check mark icon, which means that it is delivered. But you don't see the profile icon, meaning the recipient hasn't seen it yet. First, you need to understand that delivered means the message reached the recipient's device. It does not mean that they have opened it. You only know when they have seen it when you see their profile icon next to your message. Also, if the recipient is offline, they won't see the message until they come back online. So if the message is delivered but not seen even when they're online, it means they haven't opened it yet. Even though the message is on their phone, they might not have opened the notification or the Messenger app itself. Just because someone appears offline on Facebook or Instagram does not guarantee they have seen your Messenger message. So I hope this video cleared things up. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.